This one even for my board track bike right here.
There you go. Carburetor, mag, it's all there.
That's cool.
Man, I can't get the guy to stop.
Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're out in Fremont, Nebraska for the antique motorcycle swap meet here inside at Christensen Field in Fremont. We're gonna go and check it out. We got Big Tim here. We got my old man there on his little scooter, and he's already made new friends. So hey, let's get in there and check it out.
So, yeah.
How you doing, sir?
Good.
Were you here last year? We had the doors open, the power was off. Was that last year or the year before?
Yep.
It's a nice day today, though.
That's what it is.
Is it a police one too?
Harley Davidson Police Special.
Ooh, what do you think that thing's worth? Police special right there, dude. That's the one, dude. Much more have to use my camera, but let's get, there we go. Look at that, the Holy Grail, Tim.
Look at that. Steve McQueen estate auction.
What? That's badass.
Yesterday, do you have a little show? It was a good energy. I probably started too late to say that.
How you doing, sir? Good, thank you.
Yeah, they're original. I don't know if you looked at them or not. They're original. And I had them re-chrome. Oh.
How you doing, sir? Good, thank you. What's going on, gentlemen?
Morning.
How are you guys?
Good.
Good, thank you.
You making a video?
Yeah, YouTube, just
You already heard.
It's not easy.
They ran out of holes.
I probably started too late to say that. Yeah, they've been.
how you doing, sir?
Good.
Good, thank you. What's going on, buddy?
How you doing?
Doing good, brother.
Frame was probably too.
This one even for my board track bike right here.
There you go. Carburetor, mag, it's all there.
That's cool.
It's in good.
I just found the rest of my project right here, gentlemen. How you doing, sir?
How are you today?
Doing well, thank you.
Pretty nice day today.
Yes, sir. You here last year?
Yes, I was. But no.
He's got a 54,
Yep.
650, and
Out here in the parking lot, the guy on the right-hand side down there, he's big into Triumph.
okay, nice.
I don't.
How you doing, sir?
Pretty good. How about you?
Good, thank you. Enjoying the day.
I wish I was sitting the wheels to that guy. I've known him for 20 years.
How's it going, buddy?
Good, how you doing?
Really good. Just filming a little bit, YouTube. Doing any good?
So far,
Where are you from?
southern Minnesota.
Thanks a lot for coming down.
I did that at Kansas City this last year too.
Farmer outside.
Class 4, 40 to 49. Beautiful, man. So good. Someday. This is old class 3 here. I know a little about old motorcycles. To know these 4-cylinders are rare. Bell of the ball. My old man's friend had one. It was an Indian 4, I believe. A 28 or 29, maybe? The reason why I remember that, because I think it was the same year as the Model A's.
And then you want to tighten it right after.
It's up, brother?
Harley ever built.
I agree.
Yeah, whatever's in Wheels to Time Machine. I saw this one there.
It's the old 60 to 69s here. (1957) this Triumph is here. And this one here, 1960.
My wife, she's like,
Little sidecar action here. This thing's sick. Look at that. Wow, that's awesome. Like unrestored. Got the new rubbed off just like we like them. Oof. That's pretty cool. That's cool. How's it going, guys?
I would have bought it.
Man, I can't get the guy to stop. He gets one of these executives out and he starts working on it. I go, dude, what? I want you to tell me what I need to do with these pictures.
How you doing, sir?
Pretty good, yourself?
Good, thank you. Hey, we had a good time out here today. Tim got a couple parts, a gauge, an Escadarian lifter box. Yeah, my dad got a couple carburetors. I bought nothing, but we had a good time. Thanks so much for joining. We'll catch you next time on South Omaha Speed. Tell your neighbors and friends.
Good, how are you?
Doing well, thank you.